Hiya Kun Army, welcome to this video.
Want this quality?
Open your CapCut and don't worry even if you are a mobile user. You just have to follow these steps. First, go to the Adjustments section and add a custom adjustment, and after adding it, go to Curves.
Now follow my steps.
Then you go to Effects, search for Blur, and add it. Then edit these two, so that the entire video is the same cover. Now, export. After exporting, cancel, delete the blur and adjustment, select the entire video again, and mute it. Then go to Media and add the video you exported. Then, with that video selected, apply a color burn and reduce the opacity to 30%. Now go to the library and add a white screen, set its opacity to 82% and change it to overlay. Then go back to Adjustments, give Custom Adjustments, go to Basics, and Follow Me. Now you can see a big difference between the previous video and the current one. So, if you think the video is good, leave a like and subscribe. See you again in a new video.